Hello everybody, so today we are going to go through this week's spelling rule, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to give you spellings that you're going to practice throughout the week at home. We're going to explain to you what the rule is because that will help make those spellings make sense to you. And then we're just going to go through a couple of activities and games we'd usually play in school that you can have a go at home. Okay, so are you ready for our rule?
I'm ready, yes.
Okay, so you're very clever year two, so you know that when you see this letter, the letter L, it always makes the sound L, okay? You learned that in reception, all right? But our spelling rule is that sometimes that sound, that L sound, is made by the letters LE or EL, okay? But this only ever happens at the end of words, okay? You don't see it at the beginning or in the middle of words, it only happens at the end. So that's our rule. For some words that end with an L sound, that sound is made with LE or EL. So let's get into some words where that happens, okay? First of all then, we've got LE as in castle, okay? So all these words end with LE, okay? And it makes the sound L. So we've got apple, apple spelled with an LE at the end. Bottle, again, LE at the end. Castle, spelled LE at the end. And poodle, also spelled with an LE at the end. Got it so far, Mr. Fenn?
I think so, yes.
So that's LE as in castle, okay?
Okay.
But we've also got EL as in camel, okay? And there's fewer words that end with this combination of letters, but there is still some, okay? So that's EL as in camel. So we've got the word camel, we've got the word vowel as in vowels and consonants, we've got the word towel, and we've got the word travel, something we can't do much of at the moment.
No, sadly no.
Okay, so to recap there, we've got words with LE at the end, LE as in castle, and words with EL as in camel. And those words that we've been through are your spellings to learn this week, okay? So we've got apple, bottle, castle, poodle, vowel, towel, camel, and travel. And they're in the resources that you will have been sent. Okay.
Okay.
So we are just going to go through some of the things, some of the activities you could do at home that helps you learn these spellings and apply them, okay? So first of all, Mr. Fenn, we have got construct a sentence. Okay. So the idea behind this one is that you pick one of those spelling words, perhaps one that you're finding a bit tricky, and you put it into a sentence. So let me just put the spellings back up on the board for you. Do you want to pick a word and put it into a sentence?
Okay, I am going to go for the word castle.
Excellent. Okay, so what would be your sentence with castle?
Okay, let me think. I was walking along. That's not very good. That's a bit boring, isn't it? Let's go for something a bit more interesting. In the holiday, I visited a castle.
Fantastic. So then you could have a go at writing that sentence, which was in the holiday I visited, visit, and that's past tense, isn't it? Because it's something you've done. So in the holiday, I visited a castle, right? So castle is spelled castle. So you've got that. And then can you remember, was it LE or EL?
I remember it was LE.
Brilliant. LE as in castle. There we go. And then full stop at the end. So there we go, we've constructed a sentence there and written it down, okay? So you could have a go at putting your spelling words into sentences. Are you ready for the next game?
Yeah, and just on that one, a lot of you, the really clever ones, and lots of very clever ones out there, might want to use more than one of these words in a sentence if you can. It could be creative, maybe.
Yeah. Would you like to travel to a castle?
Would you like to travel to a castle?
On a camel?
Or on a camel. I was at a castle and I felt a bit thirsty, so I got my bottle of water.
Very good, very good. Okay, so next game then is the word pyramid.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we like a word pyramid, don't we? So this is a good way of helping you to remember words, okay? And the idea here, again, you pick a word, maybe one you're finding more difficult, and then we're going to put it into a word pyramid. So I'll show you that in a moment, but Mr. Fenn, would you like to pick a different word this time?
Apple.
Apple. Okay, so for my word pyramid, what I do is one letter at a time, creating a triangle shape, like a pyramid. So what's the first letter in apple?
A.
So at the top, I just put A. Okay. Then, what's the next letter? So A,
P.
P. Excellent. And can you see it's already making a
Yes,
triangle?
I see. Yeah.
Okay, so we've done one letter, two letters. Next is going to be three letters. So it's going to be A.
And then it's double P, so A P P.
Excellent. Okay, and then next is four letters. So it's going to be A, P,
P L
L,
E.
E. X.
Oh, whoops! See,
we've made a mistake.
even here.
That's all right. So it would be
A P P L.
We got overexcited.
Yeah.
Okay, so A, AP, APP, APPL, and then one more, which we've already jumped the gun on. I think we know it now. It's
A P P L E.
Okay, and it should hopefully make a nice triangle shape. Okay, and that way you're practicing one letter at a time and building up the word. Okay, and then a lot of people's favourite game is battleships. Okay, so for this one, thank you, we're going to do it on whiteboards, using whiteboard pens. You could do it on bits of paper. Now, this is a game you do need to play with somebody. You can't really do it by yourself. So if your grown-up's got a chance to do it, you might want to do it with them. Or if you've got a brother or sister, you might want to do it with them. But basically, what me and Mr. Fenn are going to do now is we're going to each pick one of the spelling words, okay? So, Mr. Fenn, would you like to pick one? And I'm going to pick one. But we're not going to tell each other what we've picked. Okay, so... Excellent. So,
Okay.
do you want to show the camera yours? I won't be looking. Okay. And I'm going to show the camera mine. There it is. Hopefully you saw that. Okay. We're now going to take turns guessing letters, okay? Now, if I guess a letter correctly, I've sunk one of Mr. Fenn's battleships, okay? He crosses out that letter, and I'm trying to guess what the word is by guessing letters, okay? So I'll go first. Have you got a C in your word?
No.
No C, okay. And I'm going to write down what I've guessed as well, because I don't want to guess the same thing over and over again.
Okay. Have you got a in your letter in your word?
No, I do not have the letter A. Have you got the letter L in your word?
Yes, I do.
So I've sunk one of your battleships, okay.
Okay, so I'm just going to cross that letter out. Okay. Have you got the letter L in one of your?
I do. You have also sunk one of mine, so you'll see there. I've crossed out that letter. Have you got the letter T?
Yes, I do.
Now, I've been a bit tactical here because now I know it can't be camel, that hasn't got a T in. Can't be poodle, can't be vow, can't be apple. So it's got to be bottle, castle, towel, or travel.
Okay, now if you just look away, please. So I'm just going to have to cross out. Okay, right, Mr. Lake, do you have the letter W?
No, I do not. Mr. Fenn, do you have the letter W?
No.
Okay, so I've ruled out towel then.
Oh, do you have the letter O?
I do have the letter O.
Okay.
So you'll see what I've done there. Okay, do you have the letter R?
No. Okay, so you've got. Do you have the letter E?
Yes.
Okay.
It's sunk quite a few of my battleships now. Okay, do you have the letter C? Oh no, I've guessed C. That's why it's a good thing to write down the letters you've guessed. Have you got the letter V?
No, I don't. Right, so let me just think. I'll think out loud now. So I know you've got an O, an L, or an E.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm just gonna right. So it could be this one, could be this one, could be this one, could be this one. Can't be them. Okay, right. So I'm gonna say, does yours have a P?
A P?
Yeah.
Yes, it does.
Ooh.
A battleship. Right. So my turn now. I've ruled out. I know it's got a C. Sorry, it's not got a C in, so it can't be castle. I know it's got a T in, which means it can't be apple. It can't be vowel. It can't be camel. It's not got a W in, which rules out vowel. And it's not got a B in.
Yikes.
Okay, so it could be then, it's got to be between bottle and poodle. So has yours got a D in?
No.
No, it does not. So I know what your word is. Your word is bottle.
Yes, it is. Yeah, and yeah. Okay. I mean, and I know your word. I've worked out your word must be poodle.
It is, yeah, brilliant. That was a draw there. We both get together. Lots of fun,
It's
isn't
a
it?
good game, that. Yeah,
It is a good
good. Okay.
So those are some of the games you can play. Remember, the rule is LE or EL, making the all sound at the end of words. Okay. Have a practice at those spellings, and you can play some of those games. Construct a sentence, word pyramid, battleships, to keep you going throughout the week. Good luck learning your spellings.